Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need rank 12 or higher and about $1. 2M liquid. This gives access and flexibility. Once confirmed, open your phone, launch Maze Bank, and go to Properties then Commercial to filter auto shop listings. You choose location based on customer flow and proximity to other businesses. Cheaper options save cash while central locations shorten missions. Make your first offers now, and if you're low on funds, sell unwanted vehicles, or complete a quick CEO crate run to bridge You pick a specific auto shop and confirm purchase. Check workshop size and mod bay count because those determine revenue and workshop missions. Once bought, pay outright or use in-game finance options. The menu will prompt setup details like office linking and vehicle delivery. Make sure to hire technicians and security, staff speed repairs, and reduce theft. After setup, link the shop to a nightclub or a gun-running business to funnel parts. This boosts supply and streamlines source missions once everything is active. You now run operations. Accept vehicle research and workshop contracts, prioritize high-profit mod jobs, and sell upgraded cars for margin. Make sure to source cars efficiently, use quick heists or client drops, and assign technicians to ongoing projects so nothing stalls. Once done, regularly check your board for source missions and payouts. If you hit a bug, missing money, stuck mission, or deliveries not appearing, relog first, clear cache, and only then contact Rockstar support with your transaction ID. That usually resolves purchase or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.